After completing this lesson, you will be able to generate a setup sheet to prepare the machine for cutting and export the G-code for programming the operations of the machine tool. With all three setups generated and the simulation looking like everything is good to go, let's create the setup sheet. On the Actions page, select Setup Sheet and open a destination. On the setup sheet will be information about the various setups, the tools used, and their operations. Back in Fusion 360, we can then post the process. We'll select the post processor, tell it which program we want to output, and tell it that we'd like to open the NC in an editor. Save the file, and then we can review the code directly on the screen.